Are there tax implications to transferring money between my two LLCs?
Assuming these are disregarded LLCs, disregarded to you personally, there's really no implication, tax implication. It's more or less a loan from one LLC to the other. And the underlying person behind these loans is you. So you could almost treat it as a distribution to you and then a contribution to the other LLC. And there's nothing really going on between the two LLCs.
And it always depends. So remember, LLCs don't exist.
Right.
So when I put an LLC up, let me just say I just draw up a little LLC. Ah, bless. I'm gonna write hate letters to Microsoft right now. So I have LLC and LLC, but the IRS says, what is it? What if it's C Corp and a C Corp? Are there tax implications? The answer is yes. If I move money from one C Corp to another, I got to figure out whether that's a payment, whether it's a loan. Maybe it's, here's me standing in between them and it pays me W-2, and then I contribute this as a loan. There are tax implications to that.
Right.
Fair enough. Now, what if it's S Corp, C Corp? The S Corp, that could be deemed as a distribution, and it doesn't matter whether...
Because it's not taxable.
It's not taxable because this is a pass-through. Remember, this is pass-through. And then I put the money in here as a loan. There's still tax implications, but there's no tax for taking it out over here. Like there's no tax for taking it out of the S Corp. Now I change that up a little bit. And what if this is a partnership? And this is a sole proprietorship. Then there's, since I can't be an employee of my own entity, of my own partnership, my handwriting sucks, there's zero tax implication to put money in and to put it out. So right. When you're dealing with real estate, more often than not, we're dealing with partnerships and disregarded entities. It's not a sole proprietor. It's just a real estate investor. It's Schedule E, in which case there's also no ramification. That's why it's really easy to have real estate in an LLC that's either taxed as a partnership or disregarded. That makes sense?
Yep.
Did I miss anything?
Nope.
Does the purchase of land count as a business startup cost?
Purchase of land is usually a purchase of inventory.
Yeah, the answer is no. You can't depreciate it, and it's a non-deductible cost. So you have basis in it. You write it off when you sell it.
Yeah, so you're either going to be holding it as an investment, or you're going to be parceling it out and selling it. Mm-hmm. And then at that time, it'll be a deduction against what you sell it for.